Got only 15 minutes for dinner? Forget takeout. My 15-minute Vietnamese chicken bowl is a weeknight miracle. I'm loading it up with savory umami flavor thanks to the powerhouse combo of fish sauce, or nuoc mam, soy sauce, sake, and shiitake mushroom. Toss in some crisp green beans to contrast to the savory chicken, and you have a complete, vibrant meal in no time. Wait, green beans with kiss? Yes, if you make it correctly. I will show you how to make tender, crisp, and perfectly seasoned green beans. When you nail flavor and texture, even your pickiest eaters will like eating them. And the best part? This meal comes together in just one skillet. Less mess, more flavor, and more time back into your hectic schedule. I like to use French green beans, also called haricots verts, because they are thinner and hold a firmer, crisp texture when cooked. Next, grab an onion and dice it. Dice one shiitake mushroom. Peel 3 cloves of garlic and mince it. Now let's prepare the sauce. In a bowl, add some sugar, rice vinegar, soy sauce, fish sauce, and some water. Recipe in the description. Boil some water. Here I'm using 12 cups of water for 1 tablespoon of salt. The key to make perfectly seasoned beans is for the water to be salty enough. So taste the water. It should taste like a broth, a little on the salty side. Once the water is boiling, add the green beans. They will turn green almost immediately. You know that the green bean is ready when it turns bright green. If it's uneven, it's not cooked yet. In general, it's better to slightly undercook than to overcook. Once the beans are cooked, take them out of the pan and toss the water. Place the pan back on the burner, medium to high heat. Add a little bit of oil and add in your onions, followed by your shiitake mushroom and your garlic. It might feel dry in there. Feel free to add some more oil. Add the ground chicken. Stir it around until it's nice and golden. Add 1 teaspoon of flour. This will create a thickened sauce. And then deglaze with some sake. Scrape the bottom so that you get all the flavors. Finally, add your green beans as well as the sauce. Stir it around for 10 seconds and turn off the heat. Dinner is ready! And there you have it, weeknight dinner upgraded. In just 15 minutes, you went from zero to hero. If you like my recipe, please hit like. And here's a question for you. What is your biggest dinner struggle? Let me know in the comment below and I will try to come up with recipes to solve this problem. Bon appétit and see you later!